this was supposed to be an easier stage than yesterday, but by the looks of you, it wasn't.
No, not really. It was tired legs from yesterday. It was okay until we started to get into London and all the street furniture, and it started to rain. So it got really stressful then, and everyone wanted to be at the front, and slippery roads, a few crashes. So wasn't the most enjoyable last 25k I've ever had.
Yeah, the first few days of the tour are quite renowned for crashes being quite stressful. So I guess from you and your team's point of view, it's big relief to get to the finish all in one piece.
Yeah, definitely. It was that was the plan for the first 3 days. Really, is just not to lose time and try to stay out of trouble. Richie had a little crash yesterday, but apart from that, it was been a really good 3 days.
So it's straight off to France tonight. How would you sum up the 3 days in Yorkshire and London? And are you looking forward to going to France?
I think it's going to be a lot quieter next week on the side of the road, that's for sure. But it's been incredible, really, and great to race on home roads in front of such a enthusiastic crowd. And it's just been incredible. A great 3 days, and really enjoyed it.
And again, I know you've been working on something for the S4C viewers, so are you going to give it a go?
I'll give it a go. Diolch yn fawr am y cefnogaeth.
Da iawn Geraint, da iawn ti, a best of luck a diolch yn fawr.